gals. Today I'm going to show you how I use copy and paste to help lay out a design and adjust my composition. So I'm working on a phone case design, and I've got a circle in the middle for a pop socket, and I'm going to try and design around that. Let's see what I can come up with. Let's go back to the gallery, and I'm collecting flowers on a canvas here, and we're going to copy and paste a flower for this design. Let's see, I want this top layer here. I'm going to hit the arrow button to select this flower. Now to copy it, I'm going to swipe down with 3 fingers. That brings up the copy and paste menu, so I'll hit copy, go back to gallery and open my other canvas here, swipe down, hit paste, and now my flower is here. And if you open layers, you can see that when you insert an image, it adds a new layer, which is what we want. Okay, so one thing that can be hard to manage when you're drawing digitally instead of on paper is the size of things. It's easy to draw your flowers too small or too big, because when you're zooming in and out, you kind of lose what size you're working with. So one way to handle that, let's go into the actions menu. We're going to go to canvas and adjust the drawing guide. So hit edit drawing guide, and we're going to change the size, and I'm going to go 0.125, which is a 1/8 of an inch, and I'm already on inches. And the reason I'm doing this is this flower, I want to use a very small cedar for the flower center, and so now I can just drop down the size. Let's zoom in a little until my flower center is about 1/8 of an inch, or whatever size cedar or stamp you're working with. And that'll help you control the size of things. That's a little smaller than I want, actually, so I might have to use a different stamp, but that's pretty good. Okay, now I want to use more of this same flower, so I'm going to go ahead and swipe down with 3 fingers again and copy it and paste it. And your pasted image is right on top of your other one, so it's there, you just have to move it. And if you look under layers, you'll see now that there's 2 different layers for this flower. And it resized it again, which I don't like, but now you can rotate it, you can flip it. If you look down at this menu on the bottom, you can flip it horizontally or vertically. So you have different options for how to add some variety to your flower, even though you're using the exact same, flower. We can add a little bit of variety by moving it around, flipping it. And let's change this one. Shrink that back down. And I want one more of these. And the other way to access your copy and paste menu is under actions. Under the add menu, you can copy and paste from there too. Oops. Okay, let's copy and paste one more time. Now I've got 3 of these. And so this just helps when I'm designing. I put my flowers in first. Any of your, if you're doing brands, words, whatever, you want to build around those things. So put them in first, and flowers and leaves are the major pieces that I'll place and arrange so that your design looks balanced and that you like the layout. And then you start filling in your leaves or your vines, scrolls, what I consider filler, go in after. Okay, and I want to show you one more way to use copy and paste. I have a sketch I already started on. I moved that a little. Oh no, it's fine. Okay, so go to layer 7, which is my pink sketch, and I want to move part of this. Okay, but this is all, it's all drawn together. So if I just hit select, it would move the whole thing, but I want to move just a part of it. So you're going to hit the ribbon over here on the left, which is your manual selection tool. And now I'm going to circle around this scroll that I want to move. Okay, then hit the arrow. And now I can rotate this. You can resize it, you can move it around, you can flip it. So that just can really help with editing, so you're not redrawing things constantly. And I think that's everything I wanted to show you about that. There you go. All right, happy drawing, ladies.